Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually export contacts from your Zoho mail. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you gotta go to your phone browser, simply type in mail.zoho.com. So yep, once you type in that, you will simply get here in this kind of browser with this kind of interface. Because I am already logged in, so what you will have to do the same is go ahead, type in mail.zoho.com and get logged in. Then simply let me zoom in for you guys. Then you can see here in your left hand side, you will see all kind of icons, right? So you will see this contacts icon below, bookmarks right there. Simply tap on that icon, and once you do that, you can see this kind of interface will open up over here there. So if you see this, you will see this kind of three dot icon on your left hand side again. Simply tap on that icon, and then this kind of drop down menu will appear. So you can see this export import option right there. Since you want to export contacts, we will simply tap on the export option, and you can see this kind of another option will pop up right there. So you can see import contacts, personal, and then you can see all contacts. Then you can see CSV export, and then you can add secure the contact file with password if you want to enter password. If you do not want to, then you can simply tap on export contacts, and you can simply be able to export like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.